Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you a 73 Ford F250. It actually was our neighbor's truck when we grew up here. So we've known the truck for 50 years probably. Then somebody else here locally in White had bought it from him. So kind of a neat story behind it, but just a 3/4 ton V8 4-speed. Pretty good old solid truck. A little typical rust right there in the front fender, and then the cab corners. Doors are pretty solid. A little bit right there on both sides in that rocker. Seat needs to be done. Can't get green aftermarket, or LMC doesn't have it anyway, but shows 13,754. Just knowing the old boy that had it, I would guess that's 113,754. This box side's got a little rust. The other one's pretty good. Box is really good on the inside. No big issues there. Tailgate, typical farm pickup. Tailgate, it got a few dents in it and stuff. Of course, the old style bumper that they used back then. A little bit of rust right there, but over here there isn't any. Just a little dent there, and again the cab corner. And the front, a little bit of, don't know how terrible that is. That one you can kind of see is a little worse in front of the rockers there. But pretty solid old truck, runs and drives. I'd call it a driving project. So if you want looking for something that's pretty solid that you want to tinker with and drive as you restore, it's a nice budget F250. 605-695-7391.